history of the daiquiri cocktail dates all the way back to the late 1890s when American engineer Jennings Cox and his crew ran out of their gin and had to resort to local Havana rum in their gin sours, creating what we now know as the daiquiri cocktail. So we're going to show you how to make the Classic Daiquiri, which is 2 ounces of light rum, in this case Bacardi Light. You can use any rum you want for daiquiri, but mainly classically you see a light rum. Fresh lime juice, 3/4 ounces. And 3/4 ounces of 1:1 simple syrup. It's going to be the perfect balance of acid and sweetness. We're going to add a little bit of ice to this. Make sure we add ice all the way to the top. If you don't add enough ice, you will hit dilution before you hit temperature, and you want it to have the right dilution and the right temperature. Most fun part, which is waking it up. Remember to smile when you shake. Gonna strain this off. Make sure we double strain it to get out any fine ice chips. And we're gonna garnish with fresh lime. The Celebrity Cruises Classic Daiquiri. Enjoy.